Are you into coffee? You love coffee, but you hate the coffee makers, the brewing equipment, and the time wasted? Well, have you tried Javy Coffee? It is the coffee at a drop of a dime. I have my code. Try Javy. Hello and welcome back to Vondessa J. I am Vondessa, and if you're new to my home, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, hello and welcome back. So guys, I am taking you through the journey of our home just for the winter months, things that I have changed for the winter months. So I have already given you our family room and our reading nook. So today, guys, it's the kitchen.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. If that's all you ask for, with my legs up on the dashboard. Only thing in my pocket is my passport. Back and forth. I'll take it if that's all you ask for.
So guys, believe it or not, during the winter months is when I enjoy our kitchen the most. It's because I'm cooking, doing soups, doing all kind of different things, baking cookies, pies, everything. And that's what I absolutely love to do. My kitchen is my happy space. Every home I have owned, the kitchen was always my happy space because cooking is one of my true loves. So guys, today what I want to do is go ahead and show you our kitchen. It is very neutral with blacks, greens, taupe, tans, and of course you see our cabinets are the black espresso. So this is our kitchen. So let me go ahead and show you what our kitchen looks like.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So waiting for you to go. You're the
guys, this is our kitchen. I hope you did enjoy it. If it's certain things you would like to know where they are, where did I pick them up from rather, please do leave it in a comment. I will go over just some things that I pick up that are considered new in our kitchen. So the first thing is this little adorable little brush. This brush, guys, I did pick it up from Target. I saw it is on the Hearth and Hand, and this little brush is just absolutely so adorable. When I saw the aesthetics of it, I knew it was going home with me. It was $4.99, and to me, it's well worth it. So the next item, guys, are these hand towels. I love hand towels. They must come along and match whatever aesthetics I have in my kitchen or throughout the home. So guys, this one, it came from Ross Department Store. I got a set of 2, and they were only $4.99. So guys, the next thing, your girl loves to eat. Yes, you do. So these rolls, guys, these crescent rolls, I know this is not new, but just in case you want to know where they come from and how delicious they are. These crescent rolls I did pick up from Walmart, guys. Yes, there was $3.98. If you don't know about these crescent rolls, please run to Walmart because they are so good, so good. So guys, those are just some of the places that I did pick up some things from. And oh, why some of mine? Let's talk about these. My kid, 2 of my kids, look at me, well, sorry, all 3 of them, look at me and said, Mama, are you going to pay that much for oil and spray? Well, it's in my home. So this all in spray, if you go to your Walmart, you can find it in your Walmart, your Kroger, your Publix, Sprouts. I think it's in Sprouts. Trader Joe's is not. But I fell in love. This is my second bottle. These pieces are brand new, but it's only for decor purposes only. I do have my other ones in the pantry, but these 2 bottles, guys, yes, cost $32. I know, but you can pay for what you want. So guys, this is our kitchen for the winter months. I am loving our space in our kitchen. And of course, you know, if you're new here, you may not know our home downstairs is open concept. So with it being open concept, I believe all the colors must flow, meaning all the colors in the space must coordinate. I don't want a blue room, a yellow room, a pink room, or a red room. That is just too busy for your girl. Just my preference is just too busy. So, of course, you see what color the family room and the reading nook is. So look what color the kitchen. So I have 2 more spaces. Well, yeah, 2 more spaces that I'm going to bring you. And of course, you will be seeing these same colors. So the next space, guys, will be my dining room. And I was going for less in the dining room. But guys, this is our kitchen for winter 2023. Hope you did enjoy it. And guys, I have more to come. I'm so excited by 2023. I'm so excited about this year. And I'm gonna have so much more that I'm gonna be bringing to you. So nevertheless, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Please do like it, thumbs it up, because it helps the algorithms and YouTube saying, hey, you enjoyed my videos. Go ahead, guys. You know what I always say at the end of all of my videos, I hate to go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Bye.
How you gonna grow it over? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain?